Here are 9 important money facts you need to know before you turn 20, especially if you want to become wealthy. First, remember to invest in yourself. Learning new things is like growing your wealth, so focus on gaining knowledge and skills. Make sure to take care of your body, mind, and soul. Your education and skills are super valuable. They are the starting point for building a wealthy future. Keep in mind that investing isn't just about the money, it's also about the time. Spend your time and money wisely to learn new things that will help you earn more money later on. The next thing to remember about money is that you absolutely need a budget. Without one, you're in the dark about your money. You might spend more than you make, lose track of where your cash is going, and watch your goals fade away. It's that easy. Create a budget, stick to it, keep an eye on your spending, and know where every penny is going. Otherwise, you're setting yourself up for problems. Another important money tip is having an emergency fund. Life can throw unexpected curveballs, so it's crucial to be prepared both mentally and financially. Keep track of what you spend each month and start saving money. Try to save up enough to cover 1 month's worth of expenses and then slowly build it up until you have enough to cover 6 months. This way, you'll be strong and stable no matter what surprises come your way. Another important thing to know about money is that debt can weight you down. It's easy to borrow money, but paying it back can be tough. Try to avoid it whenever you can. If you want something like a new phone, a cool PC setup, or a car, save up for it instead of putting it on credit. Always aim to pay with cash. If you don't have the money saved up, it means you can't afford it. That's the rule. Another key money tip is to always spend less than you earn. Just because you have enough money to buy something doesn't mean you should. By living below your means, you afford to save and invest for later. Even if your income goes up a lot, try to keep up your spending low. If you spend everything you earn, you'll always be stuck in the same cycle of needing more money. Another important thing to know about money is that understanding how it works can really help you in the long run. Learning about money isn't just useful, it's really important. The more you learn about things like making budgets, saving money, investing, and handling debt, the better you can manage your finances. Even knowing the basics can make a big difference in your day-to-day life. When you know more about money, you're in charge. You can make wise decisions that set you up for a better financial future. And hey, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos about personal finance, money management, and investing. Here is another important money tip. Don't rely on just one way of making money. Many people stick with their main source of income and don't try to find other ways to earn money. But that can be a problem. Once you have one good way of making money, start thinking about how to make more. Always be on the lookout for new ways to earn money. Depending on just one way of making money, like a job or a side gig, can be risky. If that source of income stops for some reason, you could find yourself in trouble. Another important money tip is to network with others. Try to talk to 10 new people every month who are working in the same field or business area you're interested in. This way, you learn new methods and ideas and open doors for future opportunities.